Hey guys, I have a 1991 Honda Civic Si, and today I'm replacing the passenger side rear view mirror. Here's the donor, much better shape. Be using a pocket knife, flathead, and a Phillips. And here's the inside part of it. Little cover seems to be broken off from the previous owner. Try to seal it with some silicone. That's going to get replaced. I don't know if you can see the little paddle right here. It has the cap. Just use the knife, pop it off. And it has a screw in there. Once the screw lift is removed, pops right off. Take off the cover. And you have 3 more screws to take off. Once the screws are removed, it should pop right off. And once you put on the new mirror on, the holes, just move them around until you line them up. Put in your screws. I wouldn't tighten them all the way down. Once it's fitted, go for it. Once you tighten those up, you want to put your cover back on. I want to do the bottom first, as a hook down here. I don't know if you can see. Okay, my cover's not going back in because the previous owner decided to put some foam to insulate it. But it's okay, that will get replaced. Then when you put your handle back on the paddle, it only goes in one way, so you can't mess it up. Put the screw back in there and put the cap on. And there you have it. Works just fine. I hope this can help some of you guys out. Thanks for watching.